Welcome to Step Ahead with a new video. Body fat is stubborn to go away, and on top of that, difficult diet plans and hard routines make it impossible for us to make it happen. Do you know there are natural ways to lose weight which weight loss companies don't promote? Here are 10 easy ways you can lose weight naturally. 1. Drink more water. There is actually truth to the claim that drinking water can help with weight loss. Drinking 0.5 liters 17 ounces of water increases the calories you burn by 24 to 30% for an hour afterward. Drinking water before meals suppresses the appetite and leads to reduced calorie intake, resulting in amazing weight loss. 2. Use smaller plates. Studies have shown that using smaller plates helps you eat less because it changes how you see portion sizes. People seem to fill their plates the same regardless of plate size, so they end up putting more food on larger plates than smaller ones. Using smaller plates reduces how much food you eat while giving you the perception of having eaten more. 3. Eat more slowly. If you eat too fast, you may eat way too many calories before your body even realizes that you are full. Faster eaters are much more likely to become obese compared to those who eat more slowly. Chewing more slowly may help you eat fewer calories and increase the production of hormones that are linked to weight loss. Point 4. Add more protein to your diet. When it comes to weight loss, protein is the king of nutrients. Your body burns calories when digesting and metabolizing the protein you eat, so a high-protein diet can boost metabolism by up to 80 to 100 calories per day. A high-protein diet will make you feel more full and reduce your appetite. 5. Eat more fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are extremely healthy weight loss-friendly foods in addition to being high in water, nutrients and fiber. They usually have very low energy density. This makes it possible to eat large servings without consuming too many calories. Numerous studies have shown that people who eat more fruit and vegetables tend to weigh less. Number 6. Replace some fat with coconut oil. Coconut oil is high in fats called medium chain triglycerides, which are metabolized differently than other fats. Studies show that they can boost your metabolism slightly while helping you eat fewer calories. Coconut oil may be especially helpful in reducing the harmful belly fat. 7. Spice up your meals. Chili peppers and jalapenos contain a compound called capsaicin, which boosts metabolism and increase the burning of fat. Capsaicin may also reduce appetite and calorie intake. Number 8. Drink unsweetened green tea. Green tea is a natural beverage that is loaded with antioxidants. Green tea may increase energy expenditure by 4% and increased selective fat burning by up to 17%, especially harmful belly fat. Number 9. Practice mindful eating. Mindful eating is a method used to increase awareness while eating. Don't just start eating whatever comes on your plate. Take a pause of 30 seconds and look at your food. Realize what you are eating. Is it healthy? Will it help your weight loss goal? If the answer is no, then avoid it or remove it from your plate. It helps you make conscious food choices and develop awareness of your food. 10. Brush your teeth after meals. Many people brush or floss their teeth after eating, which helps limit the desire to snack or eat between meals. This is because many people do not feel like eating after brushing their teeth. Plus, it can make food taste bad. Therefore, if you brush or use mouthwash after eating, you will be less tempted to grab an unnecessary snack. If you liked the video, then hit that subscribe button and don't forget to share it with your friends. Take care.